Hey guys, welcome to this video here, and as you see in the top right corner, we have just bought some 2,200 FIFA points, and we're gonna go open some packs. So let's get started. I'm not gonna open any of these. If anything, maybe that BPL gold pack, but let's go straight into just 7.5s. First one. Not the best. Not the best. Sorry I can't cut out what I put in my club and everything and in the transfer. It's because I don't have an editing software for the phone. So you guys should link some down in the comment section below. If you want to help your buddy out. Maybe not. It's not opening. There we go. No, not good. I'm looking for those big, like my Luis Suarez Inform pack. That's what I'm looking for. I don't have enough money. I don't know why I click coins. Because I've never really even bought points on phone. Redeem some coins. Oh, I got 2 redeem coins. That's actually really good. Boom. Oh, yeah, 8,000. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna go over and open. Oops, regular packs, featured. I'm gonna go over. Gonna open one of these and hope for that Kunagura or something. That was the worst pack of my life. Why would I do that? Oh my gosh. What's wrong with me? No. It's painful to look at. No, forget this. I'm going back to my 7.5s. Cancel. I want to spend my coins. Come on, we need good packs. I knew I should have just bought it on the console. Probably would have gotten better packs. Anyways, I am going to do a pack opening with FIFA points soon on console. So you guys should stay tuned for that. My god, I only have 1,000 left and we've got nothing. Are you serious? Just a bunch of contracts. That's the good thing. Only good thing about these packs that we've been opening are the redeem coins. I bought it with my coins. Come on. Are you kidding me? I had so many coins too. Okay. Now I'm mad. I almost did with coins again. Ooh. Can we please get someone good? I spent $20. I better get something good. Should have bought the $15 one. This is terrible. I need something good. Oh my gosh! If I don't get something good this pack opening, forget FIFA and their FIFA points. Just forget it. I'm never buying FIFA points ever again in my life if I get nothing good in this. I spent $20. I better be getting something good. Kolarov was my best thing so far. My best player. No, I'm gonna put him in the clock. I don't have him, and I need him. And he sells, so he sells for like 5K. That's actually not that good. I need a good pack. Look at this. I could have had 15K, but I spent that 7.5. Oh my gosh, I almost bought it with my coins again. Oh, that scared me. Oh my gosh, we're not even getting rare gold players. And this is how you know that they make your packs worse on purpose when you buy FIFA points. And I got informed Luis Suarez. Did I buy FIFA points? No. FIFA points are supposed to help you. And this isn't helping me. It was just painful watching my money fly away. Oh, the next one is going to be my last pack. Are you serious? Come on. Last pack. No look. There goes my $20. Yay. Feels good to waste $20 now, doesn't it? Gosh. Why was I dumb enough to pay that much for FIFA points? And all I could buy is this. Or 2 consumable packs. And I should have just opened one of those. And then one of the rare player packs. Let's buy a gold pack. Oh my gosh, I paid with my regular money! Are you kidding me? Our best player was in the 5K pack. I'm gonna put him to transfer because that pace might sell. And life lesson learned. Never buy FIFA points on phone. The reason I did this is because it wasn't allowing me to buy it on the console. I'm sad and mad. No. I should have waited for Team of the Year for those FIFA points. Anyways, I'll see you guys next video. Bye.